Must-haves for your toolbox. Introduction to the module. In this module, you will learn about the basic tools that should be an essential part of your bicycle toolkit. You will also learn about some of the tools you might need for more advanced repairs, although these will be needed less frequently. Topics to be covered. Basic tools. Allen wrenches, torque wrench, Torx wrenches, other wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers, hacksaw, side cutter, cable cutter, hammers, dental tool or pick, scissors, pedal wrench, bottom bracket tool, chain tool, cone wrenches, chain wear tool, lock ring tool, chain ring nut tool, chain whip, spoke wrench, advanced tools, tire lever, spare tubes, bike stand, headset press, floor pump, headset cup remover, crown race setter and remover, dishing tool, potentiometer, truing stand, derailleur hanger alignment tool, magic thread tips, BB30 and BB90 bearing remover, bottom bracket tap. Basic tools. Most of the tools you will need might be ones you already have at home, and with only a small selection, you will be able to tackle most of the common issues you're likely to experience while out cycling. Although some of the tools listed are bicycle-specific, the rest are mainly multi-purpose tools, inexpensive and easily found at any hardware shop. Allen wrenches. Allen wrenches are also known as hex head wrenches because of their hexagonal shape. This type of wrench is probably the most important tool in your kit, as most bolts on a bicycle are of this style. The most commonly used sizes are 4 and 5 mm, but it is recommended to buy a set that ranges from 2 to 10 mm to be prepared for any circumstance.